We really kind of started cater towards investors, and since then we've grown. We like to think that we can help anybody out, because anybody purchasing a house, selling a house, it's an investment, whether you're looking at the numbers or you're just looking at quality of life and a nice place to live.
Point Realty Group, we do a really good job of trying to solve problems and find the answer, even if it might not be the easiest one.
Whether you're a new investor or you've done a lot of different deals, flips, we can really provide a lot of value there, and we really understand this market. Real estate for us isn't a side hustle. To us, it's what we love to do. So whether we're agents or not, we still be doing real estate.
We look at things, we want a long-term relationship with all of our clients, whether they're investors or personal homeowners. We want to build that long-term relationship with them. It's important to be honest, upfront, and do the right thing. And doing the right thing means putting the other person first.